This one is a 1954 Remington Quiet-Riter Miracle tab. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The margins are right here on top. You just set them with your thumb, just like that, both sides. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. I was able to type all the letters on the keyboard in one line because this is an Elite typeface machine, which prints 12 characters per inch. So it's a little bit smaller font and allows you to type more words on a page. Type a sentence real quick. Types very nice. Remington also made rifles back in this time frame, so it almost feels like you're operating a rifle. Every time you hit the key, it's like you're firing a shot. Pretty cool. I really like that kind of unique function of this typewriter. The print is really nice too. It looks good. Well-made machine, all steel and cast iron, so these things can last forever if you take care of them. To take the paper out easy, you flip this switch on the right up and it allows you to pull it right out. Also allows you to load thicker paper. It releases the rollers underneath the platen. It's got a backspace on the top left here. Works good. It's got a margin release. So you get to the end of the margin. It's a mechanism that will stop you from typing. So you hit the margin release and you can finish typing that word at the end. Works good. The Miracle tab function allows you to put a tab on anywhere on the platen. To do that, you use this function on the left. So there's an S and a C that stands for set and clear. So we're going to push it up and set one right there where we're at. And then you hit the tab button. It'll stop right at that tab, as you can see there. To clear it, you hit it down, and then it should be all clear, as you can see. We got a color selector switch here. We got a full black ribbon, so we're not going to use that today, but if you have a black and red ribbon, you just switch this to the right and it'll start hitting the bottom portion of the ribbon. So if you got a black and red, the red's on the bottom and it'll start hitting the red or whatever color. Open the hood. We got the spools and we got the ribbon direction control. Right now it's pulling to the left, but we want it to pull to the right. So we switch it to that side, and now it's pulling to the right. All the brand new ribbon is on the left, so if you want to pull it to the right, you want it to pull to the right, so that's what you're gonna do. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.